Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the OPPO R17 Pro country. In the very beginning, you have to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. When you are here, just enter your email number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen, go for a captcha protection, and click on check. Now you can see all specification about your device. Then if you want to check the OPPO R17 Pro country, you should choose Info&Country check. Then click at check OPPO R17 country and wait 10 seconds until full specification is provided. There you go. You can come up with plenty of very useful information, and here you can check the country of your OPPO R17 Pro. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.